Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to hide and unhide apps in this device. So without any third party application we can easily hide and unhide apps in this device. For this, go to settings, then scroll down, tap on security and privacy, then again scroll down. Here you can see the option special under special features, app lock, hide app, private safe, system cloner. So to hide apps, select the option hide apps. So first select the application that you want to hide. So simply here I am going to hide calendar, turn on this one. So after that you can see this type of window. We need to set a privacy password first. For this, tap on settings. So here you can enter a 6-digit. If you want to use a different password type, select the option use a different password type. So you can select 4-digit, 6-digit, 4 to 16 digits, pattern and alphanumeric. So here I am going to select 4-digit. So here I am going to enter the privacy password. Yeah, here we need to enter the security answer. So don't forget this one. In case if you forgot your privacy password, then using the security question answer you can easily reset your privacy password. Okay, otherwise you need to reset your device to recover this one. So after that, tap on the tick button. Now to unhide for unhide the apps, we need to set a access code. For this, tap on settings. So you can see your access code must start and end with hash and contain 1 to 16 digits in between. Example, hash 000 hash. You can see. So first hash, then here I am going to enter the number, again hash. Tap on the tick button. Now tap on done. So here I already turn on the option for calendar. Then here I am going to option for photos. That's it. Now I will show you how it works or how to unhide this one. So here I am going to, so you can see the calendar application is not here, photos application is also not here. So here I am going to search the application photos. Now you can see that application is not here. Again I am going to search calendar. You can see calendar is not also here. To unhide the hidden application, go to your dialer application, then open the keypad. Then here we need to enter our access code, hash, again hash. Now you can see the hidden application. You can see here calendar and photos. You can see here. So simply in this way you can, without a third party application, you can easily hide the application and you can easily unhide the apps in this device. Thank you for watching.